mag-CR ko sa babae, there was this old lady ba? Grabe yung singgit. Ay, sabay. Ay, dito ka dong. Uy, sorry, tiha. Wala na lang ko nangihin. Uli na lang ko. Okay. Ulaw man. Ingana ang dako kayo na issue with like trans people. Especially itong mga lapagod totally naka-transition. Ako, I'm blessed because di naman ko klaro. But some people na di pa kayo klaro, even ang pag-CR by lisod kayo. Especially the trans women. They don't know, I don't know, but some of my friends, maulaw manggod kung asa sila mag-CR, should they be in male. Nga, ang uban pod, pagsulod pa lang sa CR, kay lain na kayong tinanawan. I don't generalize it, pero sometimes yung ana siya. Nga, pag mag-CR po sila sa babae, ang uban babae mabastos. Kay basically, they're male. If I'm to ask, hopefully good there are more CRs for kanang male or female. Sometimes, both can be there, good.
Common restrooms.
Common restrooms siya. Even as small as that can be a big thing for us in the LGBT community.